All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beat.
My new video with another day, another story. Eid-ul-Fitr is one of the most important festivals celebrated by Muslims all around the world. It marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan, during which Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. The festival is celebrated on the first day of the Islamic month of Shawwal, which is determined by the sighting of the crescent moon. The day of Eid-ul-Fitr is a joyous occasion, marked by festivities, food, and new clothes. But why is Eid-ul-Fitr celebrated? Let's find out. The month of Ramadan is considered to be the holiest month in the Islamic calendar. It is a time of spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and devotion to Allah. During this month, Muslims fast from dawn to dusk, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. The fast is not just a form of physical discipline, but it is also a means of spiritual purification. Muslims are also encouraged to give to charity during the month of Ramadan, as it is believed that the reward for good deeds is multiplied during this month. In addition to fasting and charity, Muslims also spend time reading the Quran, the holy book of Islam, during Ramadan. The Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad during the month of Ramadan, and its recitation during this month is considered to be especially meritorious. Muslims also perform Taraweeh prayer during Ramadan, which is an additional prayer performed after the Isha prayer. The Taraweeh prayer is usually performed in congregation in the mosque and consists of recitation of a portion of the Quran. After a month of fasting and spiritual reflection, Muslims celebrate the day of Eid-ul-Fitr with joy and enthusiasm. It is a day of feasting, socializing, and spending time with family and friends. On the day of Eid, Muslims wake up early in the morning and perform the Eid prayer in congregation in the mosque. After the prayer, they greet each other with hugs and the traditional Eid greeting of Eid Mubarak. The day of Eid-ul-Fitr is also a day of forgiveness and reconciliation. Muslims are encouraged to reconcile with anyone they may have had a disagreement with and seek forgiveness for any wrongdoings. Finally, Eid-ul-Fitr is a day of gratitude and thanksgiving. Muslims are grateful for the blessings of Allah and for being able to complete the month of Ramadan successfully. As the sun sets on the day of Eid-ul-Fitr, Muslims are reminded of the impermanence of this world and the importance of living a life that is pleasing to Allah. So Eid-ul-Fitr is not just a day of celebration, but it is also a day of spiritual reflection, forgiveness, and gratitude. It is a reminder to Muslims all around the world to continue living a life of discipline, devotion, and service to Allah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more of these types of educational content.